In this video, we're going to learn how to complete a double bar graph. So if we have a problem like this that says, for a class project, each student voted for their favorite pet. Third and fourth graders participated in the vote. Use the data in the table to complete the double bar graph. So this is the chart that we're plotting here. And this graph is not complete. So the cats are plotted. So cats for third grade is 20. So that's in blue. And then the cats for the fourth grade is 30, and so on, okay? So we're trying to figure out what the fourth grader cats' dogs are for the bar. So step 1, in the table, find the dogs row for fourth grade. So that's the one we're trying to find and plot because that one's missing. So we go to dogs. The third grade is already plotted here. And this is the fourth grade one that is missing, 90. So now trace the number of dogs in fourth grade across the chart as shown with the dotted line. So let's see. So this is how it's going to look with the dotted line. So we find 90 and we go across all the way, right? Because we're trying to plot 90. Then, so set the length of the missing bar to 90 and then draw in the bar. So that's what we're going to do now. So there's the bar. So you draw it in as purple and you make it reach the 90 dotted line. And that's how you do that problem. So it's not very difficult. It looks complicated, but it isn't very difficult to do. So if you feel that you need more practice, just rewatch the video. Also, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are similar to this, so you could watch those as well. Another thing that can help you is if you download the ebook. In the ebook, I have this exact lesson in there, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.